main disease from 2011 onwards, Thomas and Nestor. Actually, if you go back into statistics, 2011 12 is part of the sun. I think this year it is almost as of now 99 cases rectified झाले असं. आणि थोडे आमचे मतदारसंघात आल्वाना आणि बाकीचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हे डिझीज कित्याक जाता कोण जबाबदार ते आमी ही माहिती आमकां वर्कशॉपाचेर मेळटली आनी चड गरज आसा की आमी कितें तरी करचें पडटलें हे डिझीज डेंग्यू डिझीज इज व्हेरी डेंजरस इट कुड इवन बी फेटल आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट कितें जाल्यार ट्रिटमेंट टायम जाल्यार यू कॅन इवन गेट डिझास्टर्स आनी तो मोठो पिड्यार जावंक शकता.
Situation at present at Aldona is under control. There are no vector-borne diseases reported as such, except some few cases of malaria in and around construction sites. The number of local cases have come down drastically, and we are vigilant. We are taking all due precautions, measures to control the vector-borne diseases in Aldona and all that area under Aldona PHC. There are no cases of dengue reported as of now in this season, and the cases of malaria, as I said, they are only at construction sites. No other cases of malaria. The situation compared to the last year is much better, and all measures, we are vigilant. We are reporting. We are trying to figure out all fever cases. And all measures are being taken. This is an advocacy workshop which is conducted. However, our IC activities, our activities are ongoing. We are taking up activities in all schools. We have made it a point that all schools will be covered. All schools are being covered because children, they take measures much better. They take care to see that there is no breeding, because we require cooperation from people. Because if we take a workshop for adults and if we take a workshop for children, the output or whatever benefits we get by conducting a workshop for children is enormous. We are conducting in all schools. It is an ongoing process.